Hello and thanks for joining me. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. Today I am unboxing, testing out, and reviewing the ROG Cetra Truly Wireless Earbuds. You can order the earbuds today via bestbuy.ca. If you're looking for big sound and a compact design, the ROG Cetra Truly Wireless Earbuds have a lot to offer. The in-ear wireless buds are designed with gamers in mind, packed with a bevy of features that will keep you locked into your game. The Cetra is equipped with 10mm ASUS Essence drivers and hybrid active noise cancelling ANC technology. This all adds up to great audio and noise cancellation that keeps you focused on gaming. The hardware also features low latency gaming mode so you can enjoy perfectly synced audio and video free from lag. Both at home and on the go, I put the ROG Cetra earbuds through their paces. Let's take a look at how they performed and see if the earbuds are worth the investment. Let's first start off with unboxing the ROG Cetra package. The unboxing and setup process is quick and simple with the hardware. Opening the box, you'll find the earbuds nestled securely inside the charge case. The case is compact, offering a sturdy build to house everything inside of it. The only drawback is that it is a little too round, in my opinion, and bulges out of your pocket. The case has a USB-C port to plug in, and you can also wirelessly charge with compatible charging surfaces, which is a really cool touch. The earbuds are held in place and charged by magnetized points inside the case. Along with the earbuds are two more pairs of different size ear tips, offering a few more options for a more secure, comfortable fit. Let's take a look at everything that is included inside of the box. So at this point, I've opened up the box and laid everything out so you can see what comes inside the package. We've got the clamshell case. The earbuds are nestled inside along with a USB charging cable, extra earbud tips, and of course all of the quick start and warranty guide information on the left and right hand side. That's all the paperwork that you'll need. So let's take a look at each component as we go. So as I mentioned, those are the extra ear tips. Extremely important to find a really good seal to make sure you're getting the most out of the noise cancellation feature, which is incredible. Charge cable itself, which is USB A to C. The clamshell itself, still have the protective cover on that, but it just pops open as we've seen before with the earbuds inside, the left and right. And there's your quick start guide and of course the actual warranty card. Always good to hang on to everything. But that's everything you'll find inside of the package. And as you can see, they come in this clamshell right here. Overall, the setup is quite nice and the sound is really rich and intense when it comes to gaming, music, or any other media really you can play, or any device, any Bluetooth compatible device. Works great with them. When it comes to just early impressions is the actual clamshell itself. I like the colorway, like the white, kind of has like an Apple iPod or AirPod feel to it, but it is a little bit bulky, which is what you can see here. It pops out, bulges in the pocket a little bit. Would be nice if it's a little bit flatter. As well too, when it comes to opening the device, it really sticks. So for me on the go, and likely for you as well too, if you decide to go ahead with purchasing this, you'll be on the go and you'll probably be using one hand a lot to flip open the case and start to use it. So flipping it open with a single finger is pretty tough. So that's the one downside to the case. So just the bulkiness. The upside though, and there is a lot of upside with the headset itself, is the fact that syncing is quite easy once you have it initially synced to that Bluetooth device. The indicators are very straightforward in terms of the light. Not only do they look cool, they're very functional. So usually when the device has not been synced yet, you'll see these lights within here, and they have like a blue throbbing indicator to show that it is in pairing mode. So it's pretty straightforward. Once you pop them in your ears, you won't hear them obviously on your side, but once you pop them in, there is an audio cue, and it syncs so fast and so conveniently. I'm already listening to music, but there is an audio cue that will walk you through what mode you're in. And there are various modes, which we'll get into in just a moment. So once you close it, off you go, you have your audio cue. Another downside to this is whenever you're tapping the earbud, it kind of acts as a way to control the device. So one tap will mute, one tap will skip songs. I found myself quite often mistapping or the taps not registering on the actual earbuds themselves, even after a month of using it. So that is one thing. It's a little bit Morse code-like when it comes to understanding what all the taps do. But if you are comfortable with also using a lot of the indicators on your phone, you're not going to run into too many issues. What's really cool with these is the lossless audio. So in terms of playing FPS games like Call of Duty Mobile on your phone here, which I have queued up, it really does connect. And when you're playing a first-person shooter, mobile or anywhere else, there is no lossless audio. So what you see on the screen, there's no lag. It follows with the actual gameplay, which is really, really impressive, and which is something that as a gamer, this is what will push this over the edge for you. So outside of gaming itself, as I had mentioned before, just regular audio performance on your phone. So in terms of just listening to music, streaming music, everything's great here. Gamers will probably love this, that we've got the Zeta Halo Infinite theme playing, and the monks sound amazing, really, really rich highs, really deep lows, and back to gaming. You hear footsteps, very, very rich. Explosions really pop and are deep and very bassy. But overall, my time with the ROG Cetra, I can wholeheartedly recommend this. I think it's great value for the price point, the sound, what it does for gaming. Thumbs up from me. Here are my final thoughts on the ROG Cetra Wireless earbuds. The hardware has a lot to offer, especially for avid gamers. From the sleek design and comfortable fit to the impressive audio performance and low latency gaming mode, these earbuds check all the right boxes. The touch controls could be more intuitive and a little bit more responsive. However, these are minor drawbacks that are far outweighed by the earbuds' many, many strengths. The long battery life, quick charging, and great build quality make them an excellent companion for both gaming and everyday audio use. If you're looking for high-quality wireless earbuds that can enhance your gaming experience, the ROG Cetra earbuds are an excellent choice. They offer great value and stand out in a crowded market thanks to their gaming-focused features with lossless audio as well as their strong overall performance. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to check out the ROG Cetra wireless earbuds on bestbuy.ca. Game on!